Cookie?
Cookie? You want a cookie?
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, cookies too. Cookies and cereal. Mom's gonna eat your cereal. You want the soft one, huh? Do you have some teeth?
Go.
It's right here, Ken. I'll do it. Do I have speed dial? Ken, do I have speed dial?
Yes.
The phone is ringing.
Phone.
Answer the phone.
Get the phone.
Somebody's calling. Answer the phone. You do it. You answer it.
Answer. Open it up.
Use it. Open it. Open it. Say hello. Just missed it. Hello. It went to voicemail. Uh-oh. You didn't do it fast enough. Close the phone. Bye-bye. Close it. All done. Nobody's there. Close. Good job closing. Oh, it's calling again. Open it. Say hello.
What?
Hello?
Kieran, listen to the phone.
Say hello on the phone. Are you hungry? Hello, hello. Is anybody there? Hello? Put it in your ear.
Oh.
Put it on your ear. Put it on your ear. Say hello.
Oh.
Oh, hello. Kieran with mommy on the phone.
Listen to the
Put
phone.
it on your ear. Here, put this on your ear. Hello. Can you,
Happy me.
yeah. Can you hear me talking on the phone? Say hi. Say hello.
No.
Hello? Yeah. Hello, Kieran with mommy.
Always up at door.
Yeah. Are you eating breakfast bites?
Apple. Emma.